This is Addy. Today, me and Trevor are gonna go moto camping out by ArrowRock Reservoir. So, we got a lot more snow out here today than we expected. The water's all frozen over. But we're gonna make do with what we can. We have no destination, but we're gonna try to find somewhere dry and buy some water so we can make dinner.
What's up? I'm Trevor. We're going moto camping out past ArrowRock. Come along with us.
Heck yeah.
Glad I had boots on.
For real.
The peg landed on my foot.
What happened there?
You know, took a little spill, crushed my sandwich.
Not the sandwich, not dinner. There's snow on the ground, but it's like 56 degrees out. It's only 2 in the afternoon and we're about halfway through our gas tank, so we're gonna have to find somewhere to camp here soon. But got for lunch?
A sub.
You got Jersey Mike's sub.
J Mike's.
I got a full pizza wrapped in tinfoil in my backpack from Mod Pizza. I think we're gonna sit here for a minute and eat lunch. Here's our view, some water. So, might end up camping here, but we're not sure yet. It's a nice flat spot by some water. We're gonna need to filter some water to make our dinner. So we'll see. We'll let you guys know what happens next. What we got here?
A gift from my grandfather.
45.
Colt. Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna try to hit the ice from over here. You hit it?
Yeah, the edge of it.
You're missing.
That's aimed at the bank.
It's a little low. So we got a Life Straw water filtration and an MSR water filtration device, and we're gonna try to filter some water to cook dinner with. So,
Let's see.
all right, so looks like we got enough water in there now. We can try to filter it out with the Life Straw insert.
Double filtration.
We got this fresh little mountain stream.
Easy to hold.
Let's see it.
Right.
It's, yeah, ice cold. It's fresh snow runoff. Some good water. I'd trust it. I mean,
I guess we'll see.
see if we get the shits in the middle of the night or not. Got the tent set up. See in there. Now we're getting some firewood. We're gonna try to make a fire out of some driftwood here in a minute. See what we got so far.
Big fire.
A little stuff, some bigger stuff, a
Bunch
little
of
bit bigger stuff. And then you guys can see there against the bank, we'll have some bigger logs to put on the fire. But I'll let you guys know when we start making dinner and when the sun starts to set.
Yeah, look at the bikes.
There's the bikes.
This one works way better.
We gotta get this lit.
You see, we have the fire and we have the sun.
Just like that, we have fire. So this stuff actually lit up really well because it's so dry. Now we're going through our wood way too fast that we got, and we're gonna have to get a lot more because we have that and that right now, and it's burning fast. So. Gonna get some more water. Got the fire going bigger now.
Much bigger.
Still don't have much wood. You grab some of this up there.
A little interview.
So I just noticed that I broke my turn signal, but it's all right. Still works though. Got 2 cups and a jet ball. What do we got for dinner?
Some Mountain House chili mac with beef.
Classic.
Classic. Gonna be good. What do you have?
Fire's going. I have a pizza. Getting some more water. Yeah, 7 this morning. It was kind of cold last night, but we got a fire going now. It's probably gonna be a cold ride back because the sun's not really gonna shine down here in the valley we're in, but yeah. Bike's all cleaned up.
This is ridiculous.